Welcome to the ultimate pinnacle of American engineering. This isn't just an RV, it's the EarthRoamer LTi, a gargantuan carbon fiber fortress on wheels. Built on a heavy-duty Ford F-550 chassis, this vehicle is designed to conquer every corner of the planet. Today, we're stepping inside a machine that is as unstoppable as it is luxurious. Get ready to see how a land-based supercruiser changes the meaning of freedom. Just look at that presence. The LTi features an aggressive, high-clearance front end designed to bulldoze through anything nature throws its way. Beneath the hood sits a monstrous turbo-diesel engine, paired with a massive, sophisticated suspension system that feels like it's floating over boulders. Whether it's deep sand, thick mud, or steep mountain passes, this truck is built to keep moving while you stay perfectly comfortable inside. When you reach your destination, the LTi transforms. With the touch of a button, the heavy-duty boarding stairs descend, welcoming you into a world far removed from the harshness of the outside world. The scale here is incredible. This vehicle is a true mobile estate. As we open the door, we transition from the wild, untamed wilderness into a sanctuary of high-end design and absolute privacy. Let's head inside. Step inside, and you're met with a breathtakingly spacious lounge. Everything here is handcrafted, from the genuine teak woodwork to the plush, distressed leather seating. The huge panoramic windows ensure you never lose touch with the incredible views outside, while the climate-controlled environment keeps you in total luxury. This is your living room in the middle of nowhere, designed for comfort that rivals any top-tier home. You don't have to sacrifice your culinary standards on the road. The LTi features a full gourmet galley kitchen, with a powerful induction cooktop, convection microwave, and high-capacity refrigeration. You can whip up a 5-course meal while parked on a secluded beach or deep in the forest. It's a kitchen designed for serious cooking, supported by massive solar arrays and high-capacity batteries that keep everything powered 24/7. Even in the most remote corners of the earth, you can enjoy a spa-like experience. The ensuite bathroom is a masterpiece of compact, high-end design. With a powerful rain shower and a high-capacity hot water system, a refreshing, hot shower is always just a few steps away. It's clean, functional, and exceptionally luxurious, ensuring that you stay refreshed regardless of how far you've traveled from the nearest town. After a day of exploring, retreat to your own private sanctuary. The master bedroom is designed for complete, restorative rest, featuring a premium queen-sized mattress and custom mood lighting. It is your personal haven. The best part? The oversized skylight right above your head. Fall asleep watching the stars and wake up to the sunrise. All from the comfort of your own bed, deep in the absolute silence of the wilderness. With great power comes the need for total control. The LTi is managed by an incredibly advanced, aerospace-inspired command center. From these screens, you monitor every vital system, from your solar power intake to your water levels. It gives you complete transparency and control over your off-grid survival. Whether it's managing the climate or checking your energy reserves, everything is intuitive, secure, and right at your fingertips. This isn't just for sleeping and eating, it's for doing. The rear of the LTi is a modular gear hauler. Whether you're bringing bikes, kayaks, or professional camera equipment, the hydraulic utility system keeps your gear secure and easily accessible. It's the perfect base camp for any enthusiast, allowing you to bring your passion project along, no matter how remote the destination is. The EarthRoamer LTi is more than just a truck. It's a passport to the world, a tool for true autonomy, and a testament to what is possible when luxury meets raw, unstoppable engineering. If you crave true freedom and refuse to settle for anything less than the best, this is the machine for you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the ultimate adventure beast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us, where would you drive this to first?